Murray caught at low level bridge. We've got another cod in the river. They're here. Woo! Woohoo! Alright guys, down here, ooh, muddy spot there. We're at the cod spot today finally. Oh, it's sinking. First cast of the day. It's a bit quick here. But yeah, we're finally out at the good spot, so let's hopefully we can get on the board. And hopefully we're in for a good day. Alright. Alright, I'll get back to you guys and hopefully we can get on the board using the wax spinner bait at the moment, and then I'll switch the surface a bit later. Alright, a bit muddy here, it'll be all dirty. Alright, whoa, straight down there. I'll get back to you. Phew. To get to him, Zach just got hit over here, so he's going to keep pestering because I reckon you can get him, Zach. Coming over to see Kelly. Just being careful guys, because there could be bloody fucking snakes anywhere through here. So I'm not sprinting like I normally do to get to him. Ah, yeah, let's get over here. He's got him landed. Yep. Oh, look at that. Unhooked on the little spinner bait he was using. Got him. I'll show you in a minute. Oh. There we go.
Oh. Nice.
Get back to you with a release, guys. Oh. He gone now.
Bruh. Did we get that on record?
Might have.
I think you only just...
He's right.
That.
He's good. You.
I fucking sunk in there and then tripped. Fuck!
Kelly was using...
You got the picture.
Yeah, got everything. Kelly was using that. Yeah. So on the board, let's go and see if Zach Pester and this guy can get him.
But I might have
We're at the good spots, guys, now. And so far we've just landed the one cod, with Kelly landing the one cod. Zach got a hit. And then Kelly also got another follow, so we've had a little bit of action. It's still early. It's very hot. Been in the water a few times at the moment. I'm probably going to switch the surface in the next couple of hours, probably in an hour. And then I'll probably be on the surface from about 6 o'clock to dark. Yeah, she's very hot today, and we're on the board with Kelly, so yeah, I'll get back to you anyway if we get any more fish, and once I flick over to the surface. You! I'm coming here! Zach goes on. Oh good, I got lip grips. Oh, lip grip. Yeah.
He dropped it.
Oh.
Dropped right at the bank.
Oh.
Got a little look at him.
At least Zach got a look at him.
Get back to you.
Phew! Up there, Kelly, if you want.
Oh no, he's got me brick.
No, he might be just big. Oh no, he did have your brick.
Yeah, he had me brick. Oh boy. Oh. Fuck. Oh.
He's going on the bank.
On your back.
You might have to come down.
Oh, you dog. You seen that?
Yeah, he's still on, isn't he?
No, he's off.
Is he?
Oh, he's gone right down. Is that on the surface?
Nah. No. Stump jumper. Yep, he's still there. Oh, boys, look what he
Sorry, guys.
He just finished eating the yabby.
Yeah, I just missed the hook up and the fight. We were falling in the bank. I wish I got it all, to be honest, because we were just falling in the bank, but we'll get him unhooked and we'll get back to you. Alright guys, 57 centimetre Murray cod on the stump jumper. Shuddering because I thought I was filming and I slipped down the bank. Michael slipped down the bank. It had him bricked on the bank on a root, so it was... It was lucky. I thought he was still on. I said that, hey, you thought he got off, but no, he was still on. Yeah, he had him... Oh, there we go, we got the 4 then. He had him bricked pretty much against the bank. There was a root sticking out and he got the stumpy on that.
Oh, wow.
Alright, that's 2 landed today, and 3 actually, because Zach got one. Even though it popped off at the bank, it was pretty much landed.
Whenever you're ready, buddy.
Yes! And we got the splash. Woo! There we go, guys. We got a video. All the boys have been on 1 each. So, I'm next. Nah, joking. Oh, I wish I got the fight, guys. It was a good fight. Michael ended up falling down the bank and got in the drink with it. I fell down the bank to come down and help him with the lip grips. It was everywhere, mate. Look how steep this bank is and slid right in. Oh, anyway, on the board.
You!
Alright, on the surface now, guys. Throwing this one around again. But the bite seems to have died off at the moment. Kelly, Michael and Zach have got one today, which is good. That's 3 on the board. Hopefully one of us can pinch one on the surface. Would be great to finish the day off, but yeah, we're probably going to have to end up calling it quits soon too, a bit earlier than we want to, because the river's up and we crossed, and it's going to be a tough job crossing again, especially if it gets dark. So, whoa, big carp jump then. Yeah, it's a big carp. Hopefully it's a cod pumping him over there. Yeah. It was a big one. Alright, we'll be back. Oh, well, that's it for today. We're back at the car after a stretch. Zach's it is up there. Oh, worn out. It's been a while since I've done that walk. I am absolutely worn out. And we're all lucky to be alive because we all walked over a snake. Kelly's seen it right at the end. So, little baby brown. And that bit us. One of us was dying.
One of us was dying.
There was no service out here too. We'd be trying to ring up the... Anyway, we got 3 cod in the end. Can't complain. This will be the end of the video. So we'll see you next time. Give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.